All these things, they came from Alibaba, imported by a small me, and you can also do it. So importing from China can be very daunting and at times very intimidating, but it is not as difficult as it may appear. I have shared with you this video explaining to you how you can import from Alibaba all by yourself without needing any person to help you. This video is supposed to give you proof and tell you that yes, you can do it for yourself. I'm just gonna take you through a few of the items that we got. I am a pro online, and so all these things are going to be sold online, so you do not have to necessarily own a store for you to import from China. You can buy even if you're selling from your home, from your warehouse at home, or even if you have a small shop. You don't have to necessarily all the time have to buy from local suppliers. You can do it and buy for yourself. So anyway, so let's start unboxing this product. To start with, we have these portable monitors that we got specifically from the owner of the brand, and they are very light, very nice, very affordable. I'm just gonna show you how they are used in this video. If you are a working from home person like myself, and maybe if you love traveling and you want to work with two monitors, then this can be a very good portable monitor for you to extend to your laptop. So this is what we got. We also got this digital photo frame. This is if you want to display your photos or your video, you just put them here and then they will be displaying. I want to believe you understand it's just a digital photo frame where you can be displaying your photos just as they keep on changing. You just don't have one photo just displayed, so it will keep on changing. It is 32 GB RAM and it is 10-inch. And something else that we got, this is a laptop power bank. It is 65 PD, very portable, very light. You can take it anywhere. We also got this power bank. They come in 120,000 mAh, 100,000 and 80,000 mAh. If you're taking long distances and you want to keep yourself on, you can have this. It also has this light at the back here, so if you're camping, this can come in handy. We got this beautiful, very beautiful mugs. It's the Stanley Duke mugs, and they come in various colors, so many colors of them. It is 1.2 liters and they are stainless steel, as you can see here. 1.2 liters, very nice. And they also come with their own straw, and they have so many colors. Let me show you the existing colors. These are the current colors that we have for all these mugs. Anyway, the whole point of this video is to encourage any person, especially wives who are staying at home or who are taking care of their babies and want to work from home. This is something that you can actually do. This one, it doesn't need you to have a lot of money. When I first started, my first shipment costed me about $400, and I was not willing to spend anything more than that. And right now you can even import something even worth $100 and it will come and you sell it. Yes, I have purchased items worth $50, $40, and when you bring them, you sell them, and then you can buy some more. So the whole point of this video is to encourage you and to tell you that you can start small and God can multiply it. Don't just sit, don't just wait. There's no time for waiting. God is able to multiply it. God is able to do great and amazing things for you. So I've been praying to be able to work from home as a wife and to take care of my family as I work from home, and God answered the prayer. And in one of the ways is by being able to sell products online, and the other way that I think I have shared in a lot of videos is by working on Upwork. I'm currently also working on Upwork, and I just work from home. But the essence of this video is to tell you that we can all do something. So thanks for watching, and I really hope that this encourages you and you can push and do it all by yourself and for yourself. See you in the next one. I'm glad you have watched this far, and see you in the next one.